Welcome back. Today we're going to go over 4 different reasons you need an ultralight fishing rod.
I mean, honestly, this is probably the most important reason you should pick up an ultralight fishing rod.
Let's go.
It's fun. It gives them a fighting chance. Fighting something on light line,
Little bite.
even a little guy where the rod really bends, it's a blast. When you fish very tiny lures, just about anything could pick it up, which is awesome. You're going to catch a lot more fish. They're not all going to be giants, but it's fun.
A gorgeous moon eye. Whoops.
Look at this little stinker.
Absolute beaut.
When you fish waters that get hit hard, especially when you're on the bank, the ultralight really lets you present something they don't see. Just that smaller size. I feel like it does really well in very pressured waters. This river is a great example. It's very accessible. A lot of people hit it. And the ultralight was destroying. Nice little smallmouth. Listen, if you're fishing for larger fish, especially predatory fish, this is a great way to find what they're eating. This is my fish finder, essentially. If I'm fishing a new body of water, I can get a look at what's in there. I hope you enjoyed this. Everyone talks about how to ultralight fish, but very few people will ever talk about why you should.